Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Ratul, and in this video I'm going to show how to sort data in Excel. So let's start. I have created this data set beforehand. In this column I have put dates randomly like 2020, 2019, 2020, 2018, so on. Now I want to arrange my dates in chronological order. Like I want to bring all the 2017s on top, then go down to 2018, then 2019, then 2020. To do this, I need to use sort option. You see, Excel by default consider this whole data as a set, and Excel also understand that this data set has a header. Like if we click on any cell in this data and from keyboard press Ctrl A, the whole data will be selected. That means Excel understand that this whole data is one set. Okay, now let's go to sorting. Let's say I want to sort my data date wise. I select any cell in the date column and click right button of the mouse. Here in sort, all sorting options are available, or under home menu, here also sorting options available, or under data menu, here also have sorting options. Okay, now let's go to work. Let's say I want to sort my whole data by date. So I select a cell in the date column and I click on this button, oldest to newest. Now we see all the data has been sorted by date in chronological order. 2017 comes first, then 2018, then 2019, and so on. Okay, now what if I want to do it in reverse way? I want to bring 2020 on top, then 2019, then 2018, and so on. Okay, let's undo first. Select a cell in the date column and click on this button, newest to oldest. Now we see the whole data is sorted in reverse way. Okay, let's undo again. Now I want to sort the data by company name in alphabetical order. Select a cell in the company column and click here, and the data is sorted in alphabetical order. Okay, now undo this. Now we want to sort only one single column. Let's say we want to sort the date column only, so we select the column, then we click here. In this pop-up menu, if we keep this option selected and sort, the whole data will be sorted. Since we want to sort only one column which is selected, we check this option, continue with current selection, and click on sort. Now we see only one column is sorted and the other columns remain unchanged. Okay, let's undo again. Now we can sort our data in another way, which I think is more convenient. Select all the data here, then click on custom sort. Here in this drop down list, I can select any option. Like if I want to sort by date, then I select date, or if I want to sort by company name, then I select company, and so on. Okay, click date here. Now in order drop down list, select newest to oldest. Now press OK. Now we see our data has been sorted date wise. All the 2020s are on top, then 2019, then 2018, then 17. Okay, undo this. Now we want to make a column here, and we don't want to sort this column, but we want to sort all other columns. Okay, let's make a serial column here. Let's say we want to sort all the data here, but we don't want to sort the serial column. In this case, select all the data we want to sort, go to data menu, then click custom sort. Here we select date in order oldest to newest, then click OK. As we see, our data is sorted, but serial column is untouched. So this is how we can sort data column wise. OK, undo this. Now we will sort data using cell color. Select some cells in the data and make the cells color red. OK. Now select some other cells and make those blue. OK. Now we want to sort data color wise. Like we want to bring all the red cells on top. Now we select this data, go to data, then custom sort. Here we sort by date. In sort on option, we select cell color, and in order select red. We keep the red on top. Press OK. Now all red cells are brought on top. So guys, this is how we can sort our data in Excel. There are also many other options in data sorting. If you have any question, please write in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.